Today we go to the forest park.
Will it be fun?
Maybe we find a little secret.
Look, there is a new mystery trail.
A mystery trail?
It sounds a little strange.
I want to take my red ball. Yes, put it in the bag.
Maybe the ball will find an adventure.
Mom, why does it shine?
I don't know, it is just a compass. Or maybe more.
Okay, let's go to the park.
Can we go on the mystery trail?
We will see what happens.
I see a big tree. Yes, that is an oak tree.
We are close to the forest now. Wow, look at the squirrel.
It looks at us.
It is almost like it waves to us.
Why is the radio quiet?
I don't know, maybe the forest is strong.
Do you hear that music?
This gate is not on my map.
Can we go in? The door opens by itself. That is strange. I hear a small voice say, "Welcome."
I hear only the wind. Is the forest talking to you, Ella?
This forest is very beautiful.
The colors are so strong.
Maybe this is the mystery trail. Hello, little light.
It likes your voice, Ella.
Maybe we should follow it. Stay close to us, Ella.
The light goes this way.
I hope it is the right way.
Is this a magic door?
It looks very old.
Should we knock or should we go back?
Who comes to my door? We are a family. We want to walk.
We are kind visitors.
Answer my question and enter.
We will be polite and careful. Can we go now?
Yes, but stay close.
It feels like flying.
The stairs are like a rainbow.
I hope this goes to a safe place.
This forest is different.
Everything is so big. Maybe we are in another world now.
You must learn 3 kind words to go home. 3 kind words?
What are these words?
The first word waits by the river.
Is it difficult?
We can learn. We are a team. Look, the leaves make an arrow.
The forest shows us the way.
We must follow it.
We walk slowly and stay calm.
Is it safe?
We hold the rope and go one by one.
Did you hear, "Help me"? Yes, I hear it too.
Maybe someone needs us on the other side.
Please help me, Mom.
We can move the branches. Together we can free you.
Thank you for your help. You said please, and we helped you.
Kind words open many doors.
You found the first word.
Good job, team.
Where is the next word? Be careful of the Echo Cave. What is Echo Cave?
Maybe it repeats our voices.
This is the Echo Cave. Do we go inside?
Yes, but we speak quietly.
Hello? It sounds like another girl.
Let's not be too loud.
Oh no! We woke the bear! I am scared.
Stay calm and stay close to me.
My ball is going to the bear.
Don't run!
We must be polite and respectful.
You are very loud. We did not want to hurt you. We made a mistake.
I am sorry we woke you.
You are sorry?
Yes, we are very sorry. I accept your sorry. Thank you for my ball.
Saying sorry makes things better.
Now you have 2 kind words.
Where is the last one?
We are close now.
Let's go! The cave is moving!
Goodbye, Bear.
Goodbye, kind family. The last word is across the river.
How can we cross? We must wait and watch.
The stones are coming up.
We can walk on them.
You must speak the right word on each step.
We say thank you on every step. Thank you,
The stone feels stronger when we speak.
Oh no! I forgot the word.
Say thank you now, La. Thank you, thank you. The fish helps you.
Yes, thank you, little fish.
Kind words help us again. My bag!
I hold it, don't worry.
We must go fast!
Thank you, Dad. You help us. Thank you, Ella.
Now the last word is here.
Move quickly now!
Jump to the next stone! We are almost there!
We did it! We have all 3 words. Can we go home now?
I think the door will open soon. The door home opens only for a short time. Where is it now?
We must follow the compass. We must choose a path.
Left or right?
We listen and look carefully.
I hear someone on the right. The left looks safer.
Helping is important. I want to help that voice.
We go together.
Yes, we don't leave anyone alone.
My wing hurts.
Daddy.
We can help you.
We must be quick. The door will close soon.
Hold still, little bird. You will feel better soon.
You are very brave, Ella.
Thank you for your help. We are happy to help you.
Your kindness opens the true door. Hurry! The door is closing. Let's run!
Ella, hold my hand tight.
You are fast, Dad.
We can make it right.
Wait for me. We are going home.
Hold on.
Remember our 3 kind words.
Are we back?
Yes, this is the same path.
It feels like a long dream.
Was that our guide? Maybe it says goodbye.
Some secrets stay in the forest. I know 3 kind words now.
Please, sorry, and thank you.
We can use them every day.
Listen, it is the bird. Maybe it followed us.
Or maybe it lives in our hearts now. This leaf is from the magic forest.
It is a gift.
You can tell this story at school.
I want to record my story.
Use clear, easy English.
Speak slowly and smile. Hello, my name is Ella. Good, that is clear.
Now tell them where you went.
I went to a special forest with my mom and dad. We learned 3 kind words. We learned 3 words.
We learned 3 words.
We learned 3 words.
What is the first kind word?
The first word is please.
Yes, please is very polite.
We were loud and we woke a big bear. We said, "We are sorry."
Good job.
Thank you. Thank you for listening to my story. We learned please, sorry, and thank you.
Can you say them too?
Do you hear that music? It sounds like the forest, Bob.
The story is not finished.
Look, a little light in the sky.
It flies like our friend. Maybe it watches us.
It comes to our garden.
Stay close, just watch.
Something special is happening.
The flower knows our 3 words.
Yes, they live here now.
Kindness grows like a flower.
Please, sorry, thank you. I will use them every day.
That is beautiful.
I am proud of you, Ella.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
We are a kind family. Maybe one day we visit the forest again.
Yes, when we are ready.
And we will take our kind words with us.